How do we handle medical devices like pacemakers before cremation? Handling medical devices, particularly pacemakers, is a critical part of the cremation process to ensure safety and compliance. At FT North America, we emphasize the importance of proper procedures when operating any cremation retort or cremation machine, as mishandling can lead to serious safety hazards and equipment damage. Why pacemakers pose a risk? Pacemakers and other battery-operated medical devices contain pressurized components and lithium batteries. When exposed to the high temperatures inside a cremation chamber, which typically reaches 1600 to 1800 degrees Fahrenheit, these devices can explode. An explosion poses two significant risks. Number one, damage to the cremation equipment. The sudden force can damage the cremation's retort lining and internal structure, leading to costly repairs and downtime. Number two, the safety hazards. Explosions can endanger operators and cause disruptions to the cremation process. Steps for handling pacemakers and medical devices. Number one, initial verification during intake. During the arrangement process, funeral home staff must ask whether the deceased had a pacemaker or any implantable medical device. This is part of a mandatory checklist most states require when preparing for cremation. Transparency with families is key. Educating them about the necessity of removing these devices ensures trust and helps maintain safety. Number two, thorough body preparation. Before the cremation begins, a certified operator or trained funeral professional must remove the pacemaker. This is typically a straightforward process, but should always be performed with care. For any unfamiliar or advanced medical devices, consult the device's manufacturer or documentation for safe removal instructions. Number three, proper disposal of removed devices. Pacemakers and other devices should never be discarded in general waste. Many manufacturers and medical facilities offer recycling programs to safely handle and dispose of these devices. Battery recycling programs are often available at local levels to ensure environmentally responsible disposal. Number four, training staff to identify risks. Proper training is essential. Crematory operators must be knowledgeable about identifying, removing, and documenting medical devices to ensure a smooth, compliant process. At FT North America, we support funeral homes with best practices for safe cremation operations. Compliance and documentation. Most jurisdictions require funeral homes to maintain documentation that confirms the removal of pacemakers or other hazardous items before cremation. This protects both your business and your clients. At FT North America, our modern cremation systems are built for durability and operational efficiency. But proper preparation, like removing pacemakers, ensures your equipment runs safely and effectively for years. If you're starting a cremation business, understanding these protocols is essential, and we're always here to provide guidance, training resources, and the most reliable cremation retorts in the industry.